Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so spring is coming, summer is coming, and it is going to start getting really hot really fast. So we're gonna have to do something with my thermal exhaust, my heat exhaust. Up until now, we built that new room and I've just basically been piping in cold air from the winter, which it's freezing cold in Canada. So that has been fine. It's been keeping the temperatures down, but now that we're starting to see some spring-ish days come, I had to figure out a way of exhausting the heat, especially once the summer comes and we're adding a lot more servers to that room. So basically what we did today was we designed and built an entire exhaust system for the server rack, and it turned out excellent. I'm really happy with it, and I don't think we'll have to worry about any thermals in the summer. So once we have that, it's already completed, and then once we put in the air conditioning unit, it should be right as rain. So let me know what you think. I think it turned out great, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. So today we're going to work on the designing of the server room heat exhaust. Now this is my hood fan for my oven, and it's never worked since I moved here. So I'm going to take this out, and we have a design that we're going to use it as a hood fan behind the server rack. Then have an active inline fan that's pumping the air right outside of the server room. So for now, I'm just going to take this off, and then we're going to look at how we're going to design it and install it into the server room. Okay, so we've got the hood fan pulled out. We're going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to actually cut that back plate out, and then we're going to fasten this whole thing to a piece of wood that's going to be mounted on the back wall of the server rack. So I'm gonna have a little bit of drumming to do, but it should be fine. All right, so I had to Dremel out the top here, which was this. So we Dremeled that out, and I have an 8-inch active AC Infinity fan that's gonna go basically right in there, like so. And we're gonna attach all of this to a piece of wood that's then gonna fasten into the stud. And that should be enough to suck in the air behind my server. So, needless to say, I have got a lot of work to do to label and fix all of the power and networking in order to install the hood fan up here. I'm gonna dress everything to the right, come down, and then it'll be on a conduit into the server here. So I gotta get rid of that, install the hood fan up there, and move everything over. Okay, so we've got the bracket up right where we need it, and I provisioned the holes for the hood fan. So now we're just gonna put the hood fan there and drill it in. There we go, easy peasy. That's awesome. So now I roll the thing back there, and all the heat will come up through the exhaust. I got the piping already that I'm going to place in place along with the inline fan, and we'll be good to go. Things are coming along. All right, so we've got the hood fan installed. I've routed all the cables. I have one more wire to run, but it's in use, so I can't do it right now. But so that is going to go straight to the Infinity fan here. I have another 90 degrees, so I'm going to put the 90 degree there, connected to the Infinity fan, which is then going to be shooting directly outside the window. And once I have the server in place, we'll be able to put 2 sides on the servers on the wall, so that the heat has nowhere else to go except for up through there. We are just motoring along. We've got the pipe connected to the 90 degree, connected to the AC Infinity. Just gotta tape it up, tape the seals there, and tape the seals underneath the vent, and put in one more piece, basically just from AC Infinity out I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet, but. All right, we're under the vent here, and I just finished taping up all the air gaps. Everything is sealed. There's no air that's gonna be coming through the cracks here. So it's basically gonna be sucking right from this tube, which is gonna be aligned with the back of the rack. So all the heat, I mean, I don't have a lot of the servers on right now, but all the heat comes out the back, shoots up here, right up through that 8-inch tube. I gotta tape that up. It goes across with the AC Infinity fan, and then I'm gonna aim it out the window when I need to, which will be soon. Okay, so I just actually turned it on. I guess that's at 50%. And you can see it's blowing air out pretty hard actually. Like that's a significant amount, and that's only 50%. So I'm obviously gonna direct this out here. We'll have like a 45-degree probably. And let's go see underneath the hood fan, see if we can feel it sucking. Oh yeah, you can even hear it. Oh man. Oh, this is great. And that's at like 50%. So once I have the rack put back right over here, it's just gonna suck all the hot air out. Perfect. All right, let's start putting things back together. Okay, my mining room is finally complete with the thermal management. You walk in, lights turn on automatically. Into my laundry room, sound deadened wall, completely silent, it's awesome. And again, the automatic lights turn on. And here we go. So, we've got the hood fan connected, straight 8-inch pipe to the AC Infinity connection, which goes right outside and around the corner. I can control the speed through here, and it just basically, we have this sectioned off so that basically all the air is just gonna go suck up through here. Once I finish the rack, I need to put in those new rails into here so I can install more hardware, which is why Juster is sitting down there. All of my cable management for networking is done. The next thing I have to do is the power management, which will come later. It's a little bit chaotic down there, but that's it. So the thermals are ready for the summer. Once the summer does come in, I'm going to be removing that fan, putting the exhaust for the air conditioning up here, and closing off this side of the case at the back, just like I've done over here. And then all the hot air will be just sucked in through the back, up through here, and out the window. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out, and it looks great actually. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks a lot.